Hello and welcome to Lasse Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to make Chucke steaks with marinara sauce. This was inspired by a recipe that I got from Martha at Barlow BBQ. Check their channel out. Thank you, Martha. Season the steaks 1 hour before cooking them with salt and pepper. In a heavy pot, take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, put it on medium heat, and then add 1 finely diced onion. Cook this for about 10 minutes until it's really soft. Once it's soft, add 5 thinly sliced cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of basil. Then you need to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together and let it cook for about 5 minutes, still simmering in the oil. Once it's fully incorporated and has been simmering for about 5 minutes, it's time to add the tomatoes. I'm using finely chopped pulpa and 2 cans of that. I'm just going to pour it in and then mix it all together and let it simmer. We're going to let this reduce for about an hour at a really slow simmer. So after stirring it together, we're just going to put a lid on it and leave a little gap so the steam can escape. Okay, so these have been resting for about an hour in room temperature, and here I have a screaming hot skillet with a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to sear these on one side for about a minute and a half. And it's been about a minute now, and I see color creeping up the side, so it's time to flip them. The sear is really nice on these. One of them fell apart, the other 3 actually stuck together, which was really good. I fry them another minute on this side and then I move them to the side. I cut a turnip into strips and I put that in the oil in the pan, and I also added a large bag of kale, flipped that around and started adding a little bit of the marinara sauce to this. I stirred this together, and after having it steam for a little bit in the pan, I put the steaks on top of there, and then I smothered the steaks with the rest of the marinara sauce. If you're gonna do this, it would be much easier to put the kale and the turnips on the plate and then put the steak on top of there. This was not the best way to serve it, and especially not a really good way to take a picture of it, but it came out really, really good. So the end result, I was very happy with. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, chuck steak or Chucke steak with the kale and turnips and marinara sauce. Let's try it. Oh, that's really, it's really tender, really juicy. Well, I usually say this, really good. A little bit of chew in the turnips. That's good. That's the way I wanted it. Thank you for watching. Bye.